going on. Basically, I want to show you how you get your SDG&E usage. Basically, just go to sdgne.com, go put in your username, type in your password. Once you're there, then you need to go into My Energy, the tab at the top, My Energy Overview. From that tab, go to My Energy Use. And then, last but not least, scroll down and click right here at the top right, green button, Download My Data. Click that, and we'll export the data. And basically, yeah, follow the instructions. After you hit export, the price saved is like an XML file. Go ahead and save it and send it my way. Thank you very much.